Look at this. That squirrel got a peanut from where my blue jay just put it in a holly bush. He plants them in top of that holly bush. And I just looked over there. Sitting out here. Sitting out here is really fun. I mean, Blue's my new best friend now. He doesn't care about anything anymore. He's total trust. Yeah, Blue. Are you gonna get a drink? Such a pretty bird. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. Here. And now, Mama's gonna lay down and take a nap. She's tired. Yes, you're tired, huh, Mama? Yeah. Tough being a prego squirrel, isn't it? Fighting for the peanuts. My lawn is just covered in white. Where's that Blue? I see you, Blue. I see you, beautiful bird. I didn't plan on doing this today. No, but you guys make me do it because you're so pretty. Yeah, you're so pretty. Okay, hold on. Blue likes really heavy peanuts. He's picky. He's not picky now because I took the camera out. Look at you. I saw you. My grass is so long, you can't see their faces. You look tired. Well, today was the first day I actually fed a grackle. Yes, I fed a grackle. Beautiful grack. For me, that's thrilling. Here, Blue, I'll throw one in that grass. I'm not going out there with all those ticks. Mama, get one? I don't know, something about watching them eat. It's like a race. Oh, Mama's tired, I can tell. Ooh, the cardinal came. When you whistle, cardinals, most birds come, but especially cardinals. Look at that beautiful cardinal. Wow, that red. Wow. What a shot. Glad I got that. The dogwood's just about down. All the leaves, petals. Ciao for now. Peace. Oh, cat's here. A cat bird. Oh, cat. Are you on the boat? Cat just got on the boat. You smart bird, you. Where are you? You silly bird. Yes, I have raisins here for you. Come on back. The cat just landed on the bowl and took a raisin. Come on, baby. Good baby. Good baby. I can't film. There's too many of them around me. It's like, what Disney show is that? All the animals? That's me. Come on, cat, I'll put one more. Cat is my tame cat bird. If you know me, the cat has migrated away south from here and come back. This is his 5th year coming back to me. It's pretty amazing. Come on, cat. Are you in there? I just think it's great. Cat just comes down, gets right on the ball. There's my Sienna statue. Sweet Sienna, my dog. It's no longer here. Oh, and there's a squirrel in the background. And there's another one surfing through the grass. And will they fight? Mama's the head squirrel here. Yeah, that one doesn't want to come around with Mama here. Oh, I hear red-bellied woodpecker. Sounds like he might be coming in. Oh my God, they're all coming in. This guy's a newbie. I think he's a young one. Mama's angry. Angry squirrel in the tree. She's got her eye on that one. Meanwhile, he looks pretty cute sitting over there. Blue, you're such a nice bird. I don't know why, but they say blue jays are mean. You're not mean. You just protect your babies. Yes. You're beautiful. Okay. Ready? Who's gonna get it? Mama got it. Okay, Blue, here we go. Get it, Blue? Oh, and the fight is on. They can be vicious, those squirrels. Territory. Okay, everybody took off. Good time to end the video. Peace and be wild. Ciao.